Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now when you are launching the game, you are seeing this, you are facing the problem that WARDOGS server queue is full. So well, the issue is not from your side, the problem is from their side. They are facing some server issues. You can check the WARDOGS server status over here. You can go to this website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this website, you can see over here WARDOGS server status, is it down? It is saying likely outage. 34 players reported a problem in the last 15 minutes. At that rate, it is not just you. So you can't do anything to fix the problem in such scenario. You can see over here, no server, just me. One user have posted on the Reddit website. And here you can see another user have replied it. They are saying, hi, yes, EU server issues currently. Sorry for the hiccups. You can also see the WARDOGS Steam community. Server queue is full. Every server which I tried to connect give me a message that server queue is full, and many players have replied same. Server browser broken, not updating. EU server just fully packed. Other region worse. So many players are facing this problem. Server queue is full. In the meantime, you can connect to VPN and then check, or else you have to wait until their server status get back online or get restored. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.